Richwood correctional officers had died from COVID-19. Tonight, one of those families is speaking to NBC 10's Chelsea Jones. She's going to walk us through what happened and the questions they have for RCC and ICE officials.
For Brittany Leonard, the month of April has great meaning.
April 25th is my daughter's birthday.
That day now marked with indescribable pain.
The day that my mom lost the person that she's been with since she was 13 years old.
Her father, Carl Leonard, a guard at Richwood Correctional Center, started to get sick.
He started getting a real bad fever, and then the fever progressed into a cough.
So he went to the doctor and was diagnosed with COVID-19. At one point, things started to get better.
Friday, he started looking good or doing a little better, and then Friday night, he went to sleep.
Then she was met by her mother with bangs on her door to call 911.
She was doing CPR, and she flipped him over on his side, and I could see the fluid come out of his mouth. Saturday morning at 2 a.m., he passed away.
Unable to put feelings into words, Brittany and her family have questions they need answered.
I remember him saying that initially they weren't being allowed to wear the protective gear, and then they weren't providing them with protective gear.
We reached out to LaSalle Corrections and asked specifically if this was true. We didn't receive an answer. What they did say was they have a focus on hygiene practices and are committed to the health and welfare of the staff and detained population. ICE has also temporarily suspended visitation. But Brittany wants an investigation into the policies and protocol for private prisons during this pandemic.
These are human beings, so even if they've committed a crime or even if they're an immigrant, they still deserve some type of humanity.
For her family, they lost the best father in the world. So where do they go from here?
That's a really difficult question because my dad was the rock for all of us.
Right now, it's trying to make sure Carl's wife, Margaret, and one of his other daughters recovers from COVID-19. Then it's laying their father to rest. In Richwood, Chelsea Jones, NBC 10, your local news leader.
RCC currently has 60 detainees with confirmed cases of COVID-19. For LaSalle Corrections' full statement, you can head to our website, marklemis.com.